Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to handle alerts in WebDriver IO by using Appium Server. Okay, and my previous video I explained a little bit concepts which is text box handling, and here we are going to discussing for alerts. Okay, for this I created for the class. Okay, and now in virtual if I go ahead and before hitting this one we need to run for Appium Server. Appium -p 24724. Okay, before hitting that, alerts how it will be there. Can go ahead here Appium demo and apps and alert dialog box. If I click this particular one, I can able to click OK for accepting. If I click for cancel with canceling the alert, even I can able to get the text of this particular alert. Okay, these are the way we can able to do it. How we can able to do it? By clicking for OK means acceptance, or cancel, or like dismiss, and getting for the text of that particular alert. Okay, these are all the options we need to do it. Okay, if I go ahead here, now if you inspect this particular element, now I'll go ahead and hit this particular app, just connecting for that particular emulator. Okay, now I can able to inspect this one by using accessibility ID. This is called Appium demos. Okay, I'll take this one and I'll run it. Right. First, we'll connect whether we are able to click this particular element or not. For this, we can able to use for await dollar, then use for single quotation tilde operator, and then provide for our accessibility ID. Okay, this locator, how we can able to take and all, I explained in the my starting time locators location. Please go through that. Okay, now whether we are able to click or not. Okay, this is the operation we need to do it. Okay, just I'll run and I'll show you what exactly we'll get for error. Now this is alerts.js. Now our test case will be fail. Why I will explain you. Once I show you that error, then we can able to see. Trying to connecting for the server. Oh, sorry, it's already presented, right? We should not do that. 1 minute. Now nothing is there. This because every time we need to close this everything and starting time we need to keep it. That I forgot. One more time. Whenever we run, that moment we need to close all the things which is already opened. Otherwise, it will like it will pass, but sometimes it will fail when it is not opened. Right now, you can see now it is trying to find for Appium's demo, but still it is not able to find it. Still, it is trying. See now it is saying that cannot call click element with the selector of tilde operator app API demos because element was not found. Okay, this is not found, that's why it is not able to click, because here it is not there, it is searching for this page only. Okay, And if you need to go up, then we need to click this particular element. Okay, how we can able to do it? Now we have drag and drop option. There are two ways we can able to drag and drop, by using US selector, or we can able to use for, now I'm going to show you another format. Okay, these are the two ways we can able to do it. And I hope it last time I showed the same thing. The selector location. Somewhere I kept my, yeah, this is the one. UI selector. If you go down, UI scrollable is the one is there, and here there are couple of actions also they provided. Okay, and also we have another URL which I, Selenium Grid events, multi remote plugins, custom commands. You can search that URL. I forgot to store it. Touch action WebDriver IO. Yeah, this is the actions one. Touch actions. We can able to make it for press along a tab and move to await and release. This UI scrolling is another format. I will show you in a vertical view location. Okay, this touch actions also one different format. Okay, both the things we can able to vertical, we can able to do horizontal also, we can able to use by using with this particular touch actions. Okay, and I'm going to use it for this particular action with the screening element location, how we can able to identify. Here we can able to see, right, we can able to take this particular one locator, and also for this also we can able to hold and we can able to move up, then we can able to click this particular element. This is an action we can able to do it. Okay, now I'm going to take that particular one. Both the cases I will take, one is search and another one is time. Okay, now this is my search accessibility ID. I'll go ahead here, I'll keep it here, and I'll make it for constant a search locator, and then I can able to use for await a single dollar. We can able to use for accessibility ID, and then we can provide for accessibility ID. And the same time we need to take this particular locator as well, accessibility ID, and this is my accessibility ID, and I can able to go ahead for time and await a dollar, and we can able to provide this accessibility ID. Okay, now we need to bring that particular one, right? To do that, we can go ahead for this particular element. To go for up to select, we can take that similar format. This is the one we can able to use it. This is a search. Mine is a search to test press action here, and by using selector here I am going to make it for element. Okay, and element, then I can able to copy this particular time. Okay, then I can able to release. What will happen here? First it will hold the search one and it will press that particular one, move to action where we can able to move. This is the one, and here is a release. Okay, whether we are able to move and click this particular element or not. Before running we need to close all the things. I closed everything. Then now I'm going to use it here to make the action. Now you can see, now it will scroll up and click for Appium's demo. Okay, then after that we'll see one by one. See, now it is clicked as well. Correct? It is moved up, but it is very fast. It is done. We are not able to see properly. And Appium also it is clicked here, and you can able to see. Now we need to do for our remaining operation. Before remaining, we can able to use it for browser.pass, and we can able to use 1000 seconds because we need to wait some time, right, for that. And then we need to go ahead for one by one. Now up to our alert location to accepting for alert, and also get the alert text. Okay, now we need to click for app location, and here we don't have anything, right? We can able to use for resource ID and class name, and we can able to create one XPath for now. Okay, I'm going to create for XPath here now. Await a dollar single quotation. We can able to provide for class name, which is double forward slash and my class name. Okay, then square braces at the rate symbol, and I can able to use it for my resource ID. Okay, then equal to and double quotation, and I can able to provide for my text as well. But if you provide like this, our test case become fail. Why means you can able to see if I click animator, see text is a common, but locator is every time it is different, right? But we need to see 1, 2, 3. This is my third element. We can go ahead for create for third index position we need to provide. I'm going to provide for index position, and we can able to give the index position as 3. Okay, then I need to click after clicking 1000 seconds waiting here, and also after clicking this one also 1000 seconds. Okay, now I need to click the app, then I'm going to use for this tab symbol. Once I tabbed, it will go and inside that, and I need to go for alert dialog box. If I go similar format only, but it is now it is a fourth position is there, right? Same thing, you can class name, you can text view, and here also text view. Then I'm going to copy this one. I'll change the position of that fourth. Okay, then again 1000 seconds. Now here inside that, if I am going here, it will go for this entire location. I need to take for first one again. Okay, and this is the one having for here, class name this one. Again, I'll create for one more path. Okay, now it is not required. And I can take the button. Okay, then resource ID, and this is my resource ID. I'll copy and I will paste it here, my resource ID. Okay, my resource ID is presented now. Okay, and here what are the actions we can able to, we can able to get the text of it, right? To get the text, we need to click for this particular element. I can able to tab. Once I tab it, you can see this alert box came, right? I need to get the text of this. If you see here, this is the one do color site. This all the information is presented. We need to get the text of this. Okay, for this I can able to use for console dot log, and here we can able to use for await browser a dot get alert text. This is the one we can able to get the text. Once we get the text, we stored it, and then now we need to accept alert, right? We need to accept the alert. For this, browser dot accept alert. Accept alert is the one function. Okay, after accepting, we don't have the alert, right? We, it will not be presented for the alert. Then for that also we need to do it like we need to validate whether this particular alert will be presented or not. If the alert is presented, we can able to say our script will be fail. If it is not presented, our script will be pass. Await, expect, and expect, and dollar, and we need to create the path now. Okay, my class is this particular text view. Okay, and I'm going to create for my text view, and here inside that at the rate a resource ID. Okay, and equal to double quotation, and I need to provide for Android. This is a alert title, and this is the one. And after that, I need to use for a not to exist. Means if not exit, then our test case become pass. If it is exit, it will be a fail. But we need to after clicking 1000 seconds, because immediate action sometimes it will be fail. We need to give the timestamp. Now for this all the things, before that we need to close everything. Okay, everything I closed it. Now we can see, and I'll open my emulator as well. Parallelly we can able to see this all the actions. Up to alert accept and remaining thing cases. Now it is clicked the Appium demo. Okay, it is overlapped. There is one element, it is overlapped, export two buttons. It is the one, it is overlapped actually. It is up, then it is clicked here. It should click here, right? It is not clicked the button. This is the third. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is the fourth box. This is the third. It should click for third element, but it is not clicked. Okay, one more time we'll see. It's a third. After that, so 2 seconds we can make it. Sometimes that it is having some issues. It will come like this. Okay, sorry. There is a problem. We are there, but we are not used for click function. All the places we are not used any click function. Then how it will goes? Definitely script will be fail. There is no click function I used. Okay. Now I used for click function. Now it will be works perfectly because I used for path, but I forgot to add for click function. Now you can see apps also it is clicked and alerts, and it will click for first element. It takes it is accepted. Then our test case got passed. Right now you can see all the things it done. An element would not found. Okay, that we are expecting, and before that we are going to take the information as well. Here it is provided for the text of that. Okay, up to here it is provided for everything. Okay, there is no issue, and it is accepted, and that element is not present. Our test case got passed. If you want to use the dismiss also, we can able to use the dismiss. Okay, for the dismiss you need to use for dismiss function, and here dismiss function. Okay, this is the another one, dismiss. Now we are going to see for dismiss, and also we can able to take for directly for clicking OK button or cancel button without our accept alert, dismiss alert. How we can able to take means we can directly take for XPath itself. It is running taking more time because today is my net is very slow. Sometimes it work perfectly like net will be fast, sometimes it will be slow. Now apps it is clicking. Now alerts. Now okay. Then it will cancel. Okay, cancel also it is accepted. Our test case got passed. Okay, even cancel also we can able to do it. And if you want to take for direct for this particular and you want to click OK or you want to click for cancel, even we can able to take this as well. Okay, and for this we required for shit. We required only one things like that particular OK button or cancel button XPath or something we can able to take it. Now the OK button is there. Now if you go for here we have class name button, and button is there, button 1. If you take these two elements with taking for X path, and we can able to click for that particular element. How we can able to do it means, go to here and we can able to, and I'm going to copy this line, pasting down. Now I'm going to click directly for this particular element. Okay, I'm going to take for button as well. Button is the same one, button and resource ID and button 1, and I'm going to take for button 1 itself. Okay, now I'm going to take for my button 1. Okay, I saved it. Now I can able to click for OK button also. Now we can able to see whether it will now OK button also it is clicked. My test case got passed. Okay, this way also we can able to do it. In this app we have so many options to do it. Please try. In case if you are not able to, then comment on this video. I'll try to help you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.